Today we are going to see about an AC generator. That's a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, here it based on three principles. One is Faraday's law, which is related to electromagnetic induction. When two magnetic fields cuts here, there is an induced EMF or an voltage is generated. And the second thing is in which direction it is moving. So Fleming's right hand rule. This is for magnitude and this is for the direction. Okay, now taking a bar magnet north pole and south pole, you are placing a coil. A coil has two conductors, one is AB and another one is CD. Okay, and one more thing to remember, the coil's rotating part, it is known as rotor. And one more thing, the rotor is surrounded by a stator winding up by so many conductive wires, right? That is known as stator. Okay, so the coil is rotated in the magnetic field. When the rotor rotates, it generates a magnetic field and that induces an EMF in the stator. Okay, by what? It is cutting the magnetic flux of the stator, so it induces an EMF. Okay, the voltage generated in the stator coil is known as AC current or an alternating current. Every half a turn, it changes its direction and magnitude. Right, so when it will be peak, when the conductor, that's what this one, when the conductor is parallel to the magnetic field, there will be a maximum EMF. When the conductor is perpendicular to the magnetic field, here north pole and south pole, then it is perpendicular, that way it will have a minimum EMF. Right, so how it's been brought out? Here current is produced. Right, next it passes through the slip rings. Slip rings are made of mounted on the rotating shaft. It is also a conductive material. It is a rotating shaft, right? So from there, how it is passed through? It is held by the carbon brushes, which is where the carbon brushes are held by the brush holders, right? So the brush holders hold the carbon brushes, and which is held then the slip rings. So these contact and these brushes are also held in a spring-like manner. Okay, the spring loaded ensures the spring loaded ensures the continuous contact or pressure between the carbon brush and the slip rings. Okay, to maintain a constant or stable electrical contact. Okay, from there the AC voltage is then transferred to the brushes and which are connected to the external unit. This is the procedure for alternate AC generator. It is used in the cars, right? Alternators are used in the cars to keep the battery charged and to run the electrical system while the engine is working. So this is the basic principle applied there.